Masses 4m and m respectively separated by a distance d are revolving under mutual force of attraction. Ratio of their kinetic energies will be equal to. Now let me assume that this is the mass m1, this is the mass, or this is the mass m, and this mass over here is equal to 4m. They are revolving under the mutual attraction, okay, due to the force of the mutual attraction. Let us say they are revolving at a certain point, okay, let us say they are revolving around a certain point. Let this distance be equal to r. This entire distance is equal to d, so this distance will be equal to d minus r. Okay, so basically first of all, okay, they are revolving about a certain center that is equal to O. So I can say that the gravitational force on 4m will be equal to g small m 4m divided by r divided by d square, is will be equal to the centripetal force, which is equal to 4m into v, let me write this as v4 the whole square divided by r, okay, divided by r. So v4 square will be equal to v4 square over here will be equal to g small m 4m divided by into r divided by d square. Okay, similarly if I calculate the value of v1, okay, that is mass m, okay, it will have the same formula. The gravitational force over here is equal to g m 4m divided by d square is equal to m into v1 square divided by d minus r the whole square. Okay, so basically it will be equal to, okay, d minus r, okay, not whole square, it will be equal to d minus r. So v1 square will come out to be, m and m will get cancelled out over here, okay, m and m will get cancelled out over here, okay, over here divided by 4m, okay, it is divided by 4m. So m and m will get cancelled out, so or I can write this part as g small m 4m into r divided by m into d square, okay, that will equal to m into d square, okay, or d minus r into m into d square. Okay, so we have to find out the ratio of the kinetic energy, okay, the ratio of 4m by m. Okay, so the kinetic energy of the 4m mass, okay, the kinetic energy of the 4m mass will be equal to, divided by kinetic energy of the 1m mass, it will be equal to half into 4m into v square, and v square I have already found out, it is equal to g small m, okay, 4m divided by 4m into d the whole d square into r, okay, divided by it will be equal to g it will be equal to, basically it will be equal to half into m into g m 4m divided by m d square into d minus r. Okay, so this term will get cancelled out wholly. Okay, so it will be equal to, it will be basically 4m and 4m will get cancelled out, m and m will get cancelled out, so half and half will get cancelled out, so it will be equal to r divided by d minus r. Okay, so basically it will be equal to r divided by d minus r. Now nothing is specified over here, but I will assume that they are revolving about center of mass. Okay, they are revolving about center of mass. So what is the distance of the center of the mass from let us say from the m? Okay, so it will be equal to 4m into d divided by 4m into d. Okay, this is equal to d minus r over here is equal to 4m into d divided by 5m, so which is equal to, over here it will be equal to r will be equal to d minus 4 by 5 into d, okay, which is equal to d by 5. Okay, r over here is equal to d by 5, so d minus r will be equal to over here 4 by 5 into d. Okay, so r is equal to d by 5. Okay, r over here is equal to d by 5. Okay, and d minus r will be equal to 4 by 5 into, okay, it will be equal to, d minus r will be equal to 4 by 5 into d. So d and d will get cancelled out, 5 and 5 will get cancelled out, the ratio will come out to be 1 by 4. So over here the ratio of their kinetic energies will be equal to 1 by 4, that is equal to option number A, assuming that they are rotating about their own center of mass.